Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. It is 6:19 on Monday morning, January 13th, 2025. Hope you got to watch the weekly analysis. I don't know why they're not too popular. I mean, should watch them. Gives you an outlook. What I see on the week doesn't mean that I'm the Forex god or something, but I've been quite accurate quite often, so I'm worth paying attention to at least. We're going to start off our analysis for the day with dollar yen. Right now, dollar yen as it stands, it needs to get over 157.90 in order to show upward strength towards the 158.87 high. There's another hurdle that it has to overcome. So really, we have to say this is actually a weekly level. It's got to get above, let's say 158.05, really, to confirm that it's really in an upward movement. The level below this 157 is 156.50. So that's a short-term level. 156, actually it's 47. So that's close. That's close enough. 49 is close enough. So right now, dollar yen is in, say, a neutral pattern right here. It needs to get above 158.03. My bias, and I'm aware of it, is I think that it's going to do that. It might not do it. It might take a while to do it. I may be completely wrong too, because if the bottom goes, then it's opening up its way to 156, the figure. So that's dollar yen. Let's go on over to sterling dollar. This one, good old sterling dollar. We broke that 121.48. We had that weekly level. We said it's opening its way up to 120.20. Gonna put a level over here. It's a little bit of a longer term level, but who knows? It could probably hit 120.20, and then I know I have something like 119. Hang on, let me look. Sterling dollar. Oh boy. Like I said in the weeklies, like the market does not like what's going on in good old sterling. I mean, it just doesn't like it at all. What's going on in the British Isles there? 119.65. 119.65. Yeah, okay. That's a minor. There's a 119.27 underneath it, but that's the weekly. But 119.65 is another level of support. The only way this thing shows any type of strength right now is if it gets above, let's see, what was the low? 121.01, huh? It's got to get over, let's see. 121.68, 121.70 to show any type of strength here. 121.70. Okay, so we got 121.48 is the first level of resistance, but really to show strength, let's say it's got to get over this high. 121. Let's go 75. That's better. 121.75. Even if it does that, it's got resistance all the way up. It's in a bearish tone. If it could get to 121.70, maybe goes to 122.35. Target 122. That's close enough. 122.32. I don't want to fiddle with the thing and get you guys bored. Yeah, right there, 122.35. So sterling dollar is still bearish. It's on its way, tracking to 120.20. Don't know if it's going to happen today. Could get a nice, bounce and consolidation. That would be great. Let's go over to sterling yen. This one is the one. Okay. We broke all the levels downward, pretty quickly. I think we started off at 192.70, right? Over here, somewhere up there, 192, right here, 192.70. Market just broke support, touched the support, broke it. The next level we got on the weekly is 187.90. Now there's going to be some consolidation, I would think. I don't know if it's going to make a straight run, but who knows with this stuff. Got to go with what the flow is, and if the flow is down, it's down. The only way that this thing recovers right now, it's got to get up over 190.70 right now, which is trading at, actually it did, it popped 190.70. So it hit resistance, 191, 190. Oh, wait a second, where do we go down to? 190.08. Hang on, sorry, let me change that. Wow, all right. We got to get above 191.15, and damn, I was just didn't get to the office close enough. Right there is the resistance for the day, 191.15. It's got to get above this, close above it, and then the queen's got to confirm it. Then we got resistance right at 191.62, and then right after that, 192, say 10. This is definitely, in a bearish tone. If it breaks through this low of this 190.08, 90.08, where are we going to? Whew, 189.73. 189.73 is kind of a slight support right there. Slight support. If that breaks, then it's open its way. It's going to track down towards that at 188. 188. There's a level before this. This is 188. 188.67 is the level before the major weekly support comes in at that 187.90. So that's sterling yen. Sterling yen bearish. Got to get above 191, say 16. And let's go over to euro yen. This one's one that has been holding up quite well. If you remember, if you saw the weekly, we talked about there was like an inside daily bar on the weekly, and a lot of people like to trade those. I don't personally trade them. Like, if we go over the week, just so you could see it. See, this was an inside bar right here on the week, and it broke the bottom. People sell this, then they put a stop loss up there. So far, it hasn't started really accelerating. I mean, it's holding up a lot better than sterling yen's holding up, which is surprising to me. I would think that euro dollar would be just as weak, or the euro yen would be just as weak as the sterling yen, but it is what it is. So right now it needs to get over. Where are we right now? Yeah. It definitely needs to get over this 160. It needs to pop back through this low in order to show strength. But definitely it has resistance all the way up. Probably right to this low bar's close of 160. So that's a weekly, which we could use the low bar's close right inside this to say, okay, that's resistance. And then 162.65. It is tracking downward towards this 159.74 level. If this level breaks, then we're going down to, let's get a more, let's go 4-hour chart. 158.36. 158.36. If this level goes, it's on target for 158. Oh, come on. Right there, 158.37. All right, so there we have the currencies in 10 minutes and 41 seconds. Remember, always trade what you see. Trade your points. Trade your system. Enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Share my videos far and wide. I want to build a big trading community. I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers.